If you've ever created videos with AI, you've probably run into this problem. You spend a lot of time building the perfect video. You make sure every part looks great, but when you add the audio, it just sounds bad. It doesn't fit. It ruins everything. They want us to believe there are only two ways to add voice to our content: settling for low-quality stock noise or paying a fortune every month for a few tokens that aren't even enough for everything we want to do. Well, that ends today. I'm going to show you 3 AI tools that generate video with the sound already built in, completely free and unlimited. Hey Malva, we already use AI in the West, so you never have to deal with compatibility issues again because each tool will take care of the final result for you. It's really important that you follow the video step by step because to get the results we're looking for, we need to tell each tool some very specific things. So, music, it doesn't throw errors, and because I don't want to waste your time. The first tool I want to show you is Qwen, which with its new update is honestly one of the best free and unlimited content AIs right now. You just log in with your Google account and that's it. You can use it as much as you want. There isn't even a purchase section anywhere on the site. You can generate text, images, code, and a lot more. But today, we're going to focus on what matters for us: creating videos with sound. When you're on the homepage, look right under the main prompt box. You'll see different tags with functions. Click on More, and you'll see all the modes Qwen offers. But in this case, we're going to choose Video Generation. Qwen works with tabs, so to avoid any weird bugs, always create your videos from the Video Generation tab. Once you're inside, you'll see one of the big changes Qwen just added. Now you can upload an image if you want to animate a character you already have and turn it into a video with voice. That could be your own face, a mascot for your channel, or any character you use in your content. Before, you could only create everything from scratch with prompts, which made customization a bit harder to create videos with sound. Here you have to be very specific with the prompt. For example, you can ask it to make a video of a person looking at the camera saying, "We're going to create a video together." And here comes the important part. You must tell Qwen that the lips have to be perfectly synchronized with the voice of the character, that the voice tone has to match what that person looks like, and that the audio needs to sound natural. If you don't write this, there's a high chance the mouth will move at a different rhythm than the words, or you'll get something weird, like a child with a deep adult voice. So make sure you literally tell it to match the voice to the character and keep it natural without background noise or strange artifacts. Then just hit generate, and a few seconds later you'll have a video that matches exactly what you asked for with the voice already included. Let's create videos together. Let's create videos together. In this same video generation tab, you can choose if you want horizontal videos in 16:9 or vertical videos in 9:16. That's perfect if you want to create content for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, with fast vertical clips that look high quality and really stand out. Let's create videos together. Having this kind of video on your channel makes people stay way longer, which means more retention and more views. Now, let's test it by uploading our own image instead of letting Qwen create the person from scratch. You upload your character. You ask for the same things as before: lip sync, natural voice that matches the character, but you change the phrase to something else. And look at the result. Remember to subscribe. It has no problem working with your own images in any format and keeps the same level of quality. There's one more thing I want to show you in Qwen, because it's also really good at generating ambient sound. Imagine you want to talk with your own voice, or you want a video without a person speaking, but you don't want that awkward silence in the background. Your videos have to feel alive. They shouldn't just be a static image with zero sound. So you can ask Qwen to generate a video and add background sound that matches what's happening on screen. In this case, we're not asking for lip sync, but we are telling it to keep the sound natural and only include noises that make sense with what we're seeing in the video. So it doesn't add anything random. You generate it, and again, you get a clean, professional result. This video is just focusing on video plus sound, but as you can see, Qwen has a lot of other modes. If you want a full tutorial just about Qwen, let me know in the comments. Sales pages, portfolios, booking sites. Building a website used to mean wrestling with WordPress themes, plugins, and code, or paying an agency a fortune. Ready flips that. It builds a full site from a single prompt, then lets you edit everything with chat. Here, I'm writing a prompt for a move to Mars travel agency. And right under the prompt, you see 2 new tabs for extra control before you generate. Or you can skip all that and hit clone a website if you already have a site you love. I hit generate, and in a few seconds Ready gives me a complete Site Hero Services pricing, plus a booking form so clients can schedule a call. If I don't like something, I just talk to it. I type make the colors a bit darker and it updates the whole theme. Then I add motion with add a staggered fade in and slide up animation to the service cards. No panels, no CSS, just natural language. To finish the page, I drop in a YouTube video. Check that the forms and bookings are ready to use and click Publish Website. That's it. Site live. Stop wasting time on templates. Use Ready to launch your next big idea today. The link's on screen and in the description. The second AI we're going to use is the new video generation model from Grok. With this tool, you can generate both images and videos, horizontal or vertical. And the best part is that the videos come with really good voice and sound sync. There is a daily generation limit, but it's pretty high, and the counter resets every day. So, in practice, you can usually create everything you need for that day and continue the next one without any problem. To use it, we're going to go to the Imagine option. Here you'll see videos created by the community, which already gives you an idea of the quality we're working with today. To generate your own video, tap the little video icon at the bottom right. From there, you can choose vertical, horizontal, or square videos, and you can do the same with images. The good thing is that right now, you can generate videos directly without being forced to create an image first. So let's go straight to video. Once you're here, there's something very important you should do. I've tested this AI quite a lot, and the prompt that gives me the best voice results always follows the same pattern. First, if you don't have an image and you want to create a character from scratch, write a detailed description of the person or cartoon you want. If you already have an image, upload that instead. Then, in both cases, you tell Grok exactly what you want your character to say, and you put that sentence in quotation marks so there's no confusion. After that, you have to add a couple of key instructions. Tell it that the tone of the voice has to match the character it generates, and that there should be no white noise in the background, that the voice must sound natural and clear. If you skip this part, it might still generate a voice that's synced to the lips, but you'll often get a really annoying background hiss. Malva, let's cook something delicious. Malva, let's cook something delicious. Just by adding this line to the prompt, you can get ultra-professional results that are ready to use. Now, we'll do the test with an image instead of creating the character from scratch, using a different phrase, and you'll see how the quality stays just as high. Remember to subscribe. If you don't have any images yet, you can use Grow's own image generator to create them. Another tip is to check the community content. If you see a clip you like and think it fits what you're trying to do, you can click it, and Grok will generate similar clips that might be useful for your project. On top of that, this new update added a favorite section, which is way more powerful than it sounds. Before, if you didn't download your video, it was gone forever. Now, every clip you generate gets stored in this history, so you can create as much as you want. And if you hit your generation limit for the day, you just wait until tomorrow, the counter resets, and you keep going with everything safely saved. In fact, in my tests, I've been generating a lot of videos, and I still haven't hit the limit. The last AI I want to show you is a new version of Meta that lets you generate sounds, voices, and music, and drop them straight into your videos from your phone. This feature is still kind of hidden in the browser version of Meta that we've already used in other videos. But if you go into Meta AI from your phone, downloading the app and opening it there, you'll see a bunch of functions that aren't available to everyone yet, and you'll be one of the first people actually using them. Once you're inside the Meta AI app, tap the Meta icon in the middle. You'll see a general AI generator where you can ask for text, images, and video. We're going to go step by step, starting with how to generate a video from here. If you feel more comfortable, you can also create the video on your computer first, download it, or send it to your phone, and then upload it as a file in the app. So whether you upload an existing picture of your character or create it directly inside Meta, Once you have the image, tap on it and choose the lip sync option. A menu will open with 2 tabs. The first one is for music, where you have all kinds of real songs. Keep in mind those tracks have copyright. They're actual commercial songs, so use them only if that works for your project. The tab we care about right now is the one for text. In this new text tab, you have a field where you type exactly what you want your character to say. And then, very important, a voice selector. This is one of the best parts of this AI. Instead of leaving the voice up to randomness, you can choose exactly what type of voice, tone, and accent you want to add. Hello, this is my voice. Pick the one that fits your character the best. Once you've chosen the voice and written the line you want, you'll see there's a maximum of 9 seconds per clip. That limit is actually perfect if you care about retention, because the ideal thing for short-form content is to change camera angles and shots every few seconds. So you can generate the image of your character again doing something slightly different. Write another line and build multiple shots where your character is doing and saying different things. Let's see what the process looks like. First, Meta will generate the audio. Don't panic if you don't see the video yet. That's normal. Hey Malva, we already use AI in the West. Once you've checked that the audio sounds the way you want, tap the Done button at the top right, and only then will it start generating the lip sync and the video. A few seconds later, look at the result you get. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe.